Oke. Uh, Alhamdulillah kita ada recordingnya. Jadi nanti recordingnya akan saya share juga. Jadi teman-teman yang ketinggalan juga bisa nonton dari awal. Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saya buka dulu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Oke, selamat datang. Saat ini yang baru datang itu baru Bu Ida, Bu Muli, Bu Rahmi, sama Miss Rara, instruktur kita. Masih ada Ibu Dona, Pak Faris, Ibu Uswa, sama Ibu Daya, dan Ibu Hana. Masih ada empat ya, lima ya yang belum join. Agak lumayan banyak ya, tapi nggak apa-apa, saya buka dulu. Robis Rofi Sadri, Wesiri Amli, walau datang Medisani ya Poli. Terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang udah hadir di tepat waktu. Ini kelas perdana untuk Morina Training Center. Kita buka kelas bahasa Inggris online dan offline, dan kita buka khusus komputer juga saat ini ya. Jadi untuk teman-teman yang lain bisa coba-coba juga join kelas yang lain. Sebelumnya saya perkenalkan dulu instruktur kita, Miss Rara. Silakan Miss Rara untuk memperkenalkan dirinya.
Sorry. Ya, selamat malam semuanya teman-teman semua. Ya, terima kasih untuk kesempatannya. Pada kesempatan kali ini ya saya mau memperkenalkan diri dulu ya sambil menunggu yang lain kita eh, apa ya? Intinya kita di sini akan berdiskusi bareng, belajar bersama-sama, sharing bareng mengenai bahasa Inggris sesuai dengan materi yang akan kita bawakan untuk dunia kerja, especially untuk bidang administrasi seperti itu. Mungkin itu saja. Nanti later on kalau sudah semuanya ada, baru memperkenalkan lagi.
Miss
Biar
Rara
nggak
perkenalkan
diulang.
dirinya dulu dong, Miss. Apa backgroundnya Miss Rara. Backgroundnya yang super
Apa ya?
duper ajaib itu.
Oke, ya. Eh, saya sendiri ya, perkenalkan dulu, saya belum nyebut nama ya. Nama saya Rara, Miss Rara, biasa nama lengkapnya Rara Chandra Dewi, tapi biasa dipanggil Miss Rara. Oke, saya tinggalnya di Rawamangun, Jakarta Timur. Oke, tetapi saya bukan orang Jakarta. I'm not originally from Jakarta. Oke, teman-teman, eh, saat ini saya mengajar di Pusat Pelatihan Kerja Dinas Tenaga Kerja DKI di Jakarta Selatan dan juga di Jakarta Pusat. Udah cukup lama, udah sekitar 8 tahun di sana. Nah, sebelum join dengan Pusat Pelatihan Kerja Jakarta Selatan dan Jakarta Pusat, saya juga pernah bekerja di beberapa perusahaan pindah-pindah biasa gitu ya. Kalau masih muda suka ke sana kemari gitu. Oke. Selain itu saya juga asik gitu, asik menekuni dunia personal English tutor dan personal translator gitu. Mungkin itu saja dari saya. Terima kasih Bu Ade.
Miss Raranya very modest ya teman-teman. Miss Rara ini sebenarnya portofolionya tuh panjang banget kalau diceritain. Nggak cukup nanti hari kita kalau ceritain pengalaman mengajar Miss Rara. One thing for sure, Miss Rara ini udah certified untuk kompetensi untuk mengajar bahasa Inggris. Beliau juga udah sebagai asesor ya. Jadi insya Allah kita in a good hand ya. Kalau bahasa phrase-nya itu in a good hand. Oke, ada sebelumnya ada dari teman-teman ada yang mau ditanyain dulu sama Miss Rara, atau mungkin kita bisa buat ini dulu ya Miss, apa kayak class rules gitu?
Oke. Uh, Selamat bergabung mungkin teman-teman yang baru join. Oke. Before we start, langsung aja ya. Mungkin kalau saya sih lebih senang juga kalau nanti teman-teman bisa memperkenalkan diri dulu gitu. Jadi nggak cuma tahu, oh ya namanya Miss Ida Farida misalnya, atau namanya Mr. Ahmad Farizi, hanya sekedar itu. Tapi every one of you could take a chance to introduce yourself, and of course we are going to be actively in speaking gitu ya. Jadi kan one of your purpose, I'm sure that one of your purpose to join this class is to boost your speaking skill, especially that, right? Gitu. Jadi kita sama-sama di sini gitu ya.
Oke,
Mungkin kelas
setuju. Kita mulai perkenalan dulu. Dari siapa dulu nih, Miss?
Oke, alhamdulillah udah ada yang join lagi, Miss Uswah. Welcome to the English class.
Oke, siapa dulu nih, Miss, yang kita mau suruh introduction?
Oke, teman-teman ada yang mau mulai? Kalau saya biasanya lebih senang kalau initiate ya, teman-teman. Oke, you can start, bisa mulai dulu gitu.
Oke, Miss Rahmi, Kak Rahmi boleh nggak perkenalan diri dulu? Sekilas aja gitu tentang Kak Rahmi. Hai Buswa. Oh, Buswa dulu deh nih. Buswa perkenalan diri dulu boleh kan?
Jangan.
Silakan Buswa.
Perkenalkan diri, yang lainnya belum kan?
Belum. Buswa perdana. Soalnya Buswa kan paling manis pokoknya. Silakan Ibu, perkenalkan diri sekilas aja, Bu. Tinggalnya di
Halo
mana? Ya kan
semuanya.
sukanya apa?
Oke. Oke, bahasa Inggris apa sih?
Enggak,
Bahasa
pakai
Indonesia
bahasa
aja ya.
Indonesia aja dulu. Nanti dilatih dalam
Iya.
bahasa Inggris. Jadi next meetingnya, greetingsnya dalam bahasa Inggris.
Halo teman-teman semuanya. Perkenalkan, saya Uswa dari Tangerang, Karawaci. Hobinya nonton sama jalan-jalan sama makan enak.
Alhamdulillah ya Bu, hobi kita sama ya Bu ya.
Ntar nggak join di itu, laptop ganti ya Bun.
Miss Rara, should they introduce? Tapi kan kita akan latih mereka greeting ya, Miss. Jadi nggak apa-apa ya, Miss. Mereka introduction-nya dalam bahasa Indonesia dulu. Nanti
Ya.
setelah kita latih, baru mereka introduction lagi dalam bahasa Inggris. What do you
Oke.
think?
Iya.
Kalau ada yang mau langsung bahasa Inggris boleh.
Oh, boleh. Oke, oke.
Belum bisa, Miss. Ini
Oke.
basic kan, basic berarti.
Oke. Miss sudah ini ya. Aku udah jadiin host. Nanti bisa langsung share. Tapi kita mau perkenalan dulu nih. Ibu Ida, Bu Nurrahmi, udah pada bisa ini belum ya perkenalan? Hai, Matt. Ini kebetulan ada teman saya, dia dari UK, Matthew Kelly.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Nice to have you here. Oh ya, Matthew ini dulunya guru di what do you call it? I cannot forget. Maybe you want to tell them
IF,
yourself.
IF Jogja.
Ya, go ahead.
Aku malu sekarang.
Oh, you have to introduce yourself to us first.
You can call me Yusuf ya.
Okay.
Aku Yusuf dari Inggris. Ya, malu. What do I want me to say?
Okay.
Aku
Matt
tangkap
used to
dulu ya.
teach at Wall Street or EF. I kind of forget.
IF Jogja dan sekolah.
EF Yogyakarta. Ya. How long did you live in? How long did you stay in Indonesia?
Ya, 8 bulan.
Dia sholat isya dulu deh. Sorry.
Okay. Later on, you're
Maaf,
gonna.
buka kan? Ya, bukan. You want me to open camera?
Okay. It's okay. We're gonna start our class soon. So I'm gonna have to ask you to mute yourself. Miss Rara is going to start her session soon. And I thank you for watching. Udah Miss Ida, are you on? Can you introduce yourself first?
Bahasa Indonesia kan ya?
Yeah, it's okay.
Soalnya malu kalau salah-salah ada Miss Rara.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah,
Iya.
we learn from making mistake, right?
Iya sih, sebenarnya bahasa Inggris itu harusnya speak up ya belajarnya ya.
Yes.
Iya Miss, selamat malam semuanya. Nama saya Ida Farida. Saya ibu dari 3 orang anak. Join di sini karena anak-anak saya kebetulan di sekolahnya udah mulai bahasa Inggris aktif, jadi mau nggak mau ibunya harus upgrade. Nah itu yang jadi motivasi sih untuk ikut kelas ini.
Oke,
terima kasih semuanya.
Thank you Bu Ida, semangat ya kita ngajarin anak-anak
Semangat.
kita.
Bener,
Challenge
malu
ya.
kalau anaknya lebih pintar dari ibunya.
Alhamdulillah ya, namanya ini perbaikan generasi ya Bu. Oke, next Ibu Nurrahmi belum ya? Bu Daya, Bu Daya bisa unmute untuk perkenalan diri. Masih makan Ibu Daya nih kayaknya. Oke, nggak apa-apa Miss, boleh silakan dimulai ya.
Oke. Wait. Oke, teman-teman. I think we are about to start our first meeting today. Ya. Sebentar. Sebentar. Saya izin sharing screen dulu. Oke. Nah, before we start, I'm going to introduce myself. Yeah, this is my background. That before, yeah, every one of you has already known about me. My name is Rara Chandra Dewi, but simply call me Miss Rara. Actually, I'm a Javanese. Okay, I come from Central Java. It's a small city. It is Purworejo. If maybe anyone ever heard about Purworejo, Purworejo itu kurang lebih 1,5 jam sebelum Jogja. And as I already told you that currently I'm teaching in PPKD South Jakarta and PPKD Central Jakarta. And I'm also become an active personal English tutor and also translator. Yeah, that's a little bit of when I was young. Yeah, when I was young, I enjoy working that enable me to travel a lot. So, saya juga pernah kerja di Sumbawa dan juga di Timika, Papua. Nah, oke. Itu a little bit about me. Oke. Nah, and this is our class rules. Oke, teman-teman, ini adalah rules untuk kelas kita. Oke, the first is I do really hope that we can actively speak English together. Okay, so we are here learning English together. Yeah, I'm sure that why you join this class is you want to improve your English skill, right? Okay, so don't be shy. Let's start to speak English. Okay, the second one is mindful listening. It means that because it is conducted online, so I'd like every one of you to mute yourself, but if it is needed, you can unmute it by yourself. If it's time for us to discuss something, to speak up, ya lalu bisa di-unmute. Next, ya raise your hand if you want to speak. And this is the most important thing that we are trying to be punctual. Ya, kita mencoba semoga next ke depannya kita akan tepat waktu gitu. Kita mulai teman-teman harapannya mungkin bagi teman-teman yang bekerja nanti semoga bisa pulangnya pas gitu. Jadi pas jam 7:30 sudah di rumah, kalau belum ya nanti bisa langsung join aja. Gitu. Itu sih teman-teman, the most important thing, this one and this one ya, semuanya penting gitu. Okay? And the first thing that the material that we are going to bring up for this meeting, okay, it's about greeting. Jadi sebenarnya ini bukan materi baru ya. I'm sure that every one of you has ever learned about greetings. Okay. Materi pertama yang akan kita coba bahas itu ya greeting, small talk, and then introduction ya, because it's the material that are connected each other gitu. As well, ini sebenarnya saya bukan materi baru ya. I'm going to review the material that you have ever learned before. Okay, this is the greeting ya. Oh ya, sebelumnya teman-teman, before I continue with the topics about greeting, maybe Miss Ade already told you about the program that we are going to have during the learning activity. It's about English, especially we are going to learn English for office gitu ya. But it's not only about the office, tapi kita juga belajar yang lain lagi. Gitu. Ini, oke, kan dulu. Saya pakai yang ini aja. Oke. Nah, what do we know about greetings? Apa sih greetings? Ya, we greet each other, right? When we meet someone, ya, even maybe the person that we have already known before or the other person that we haven't met before, the first thing that we do, that we commonly do, is we greet each other by saying hi, hello, and then by introduce ourselves, such as good evening, Miss Ade. My name is Rara. What is your name? Nah, mungkin dengan seperti itu, gitu kan ya, teman-teman. Ketika kita bertemu dengan orang lain, ya kita menyapa dulu, gitu. Oke, nah, in communication, whether it is in English or maybe in bahasa Indonesia, commonly we differentiate the language that we use depends on the formality of the situation. Terkadang ya, atau seringkali kita menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan dalam berkomunikasi, apakah itu bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesia, atau bahasa yang lainnya, dengan membedakan situasinya. Okay, we differentiate the language that we use depends on the situation, whether the situation is formal or informal. Formal is used when maybe it is in the office, it's maybe when we talk with the person who is older than us, or maybe in the academic setting. Yeah, in the business world, we use formal language expressions. And for the informal language, we commonly use if it is a casual situation. Ya, jadi kalau informal itu kan kita menggunakannya if the situation is casual. For example, if we are talking with friends, we are talking with the relative, with the family members, or maybe we meet someone not in the business context, we use informal language expression. Nah, for greeting itself, okay, there are some language expression that we commonly use for formal, yeah. The first that we can use, we can say, if maybe we meet with the other person, we can say, hello, good morning, okay. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening depends on the time of the day. Jadi the basic things that we use is good morning, good afternoon, or good evening depends on the time of the day. Tergantung waktunya, ketemunya kapan. Okay, and then we say yeah, hello, and then the next, if maybe we are going to ask about the other person condition, we say after we say hello, maybe we mention ourselves, we introduce ourselves, yeah, we are going to ask someone, hello, my name is Rara, what is your name? Tadi, or maybe, hi, hello Mr. Andy, how are you today? Atau what are you doing? Or nice to meet you. How is it going? Ya, ini ya the familiar things. Ya, ini ungkapan-ungkapan yang sebenarnya sangat umum biasa kita pakai. And for the informal greetings, as I said before, these expressions are used when we are talking with friends, we are talking with family members, we can use this one. Oke, yang favorit yang mana? Teman-teman pasti ada yang difavoritkan kan ya? Ya, this is, hi, what's up? Or howdy, how are you? Oke, what's going on? How is life? What's new? Dan seterusnya gitu ya. Oke.
Kalau saya halo, Miss. Udah halo, udah paling favorit halo.
Hello, hi, gitu, right? Paling favorit. Nah, if someone, if someone say, hi, how are you? And then, what are the response that we commonly give to that person? Kita jawabnya apa nih teman-teman ketika seseorang nanya, hi, how are you? The most favorite one. What is your most favorite one? Fine. Yeah, people commonly say, fine, thanks. Or fine, thank you. Oke? Itu ya, biasanya kita menggunakan fine, thank you, fine, thanks. Or maybe for the more formal situation, we can say, I'm very well, thank you. Gitu ya. Biasanya for the business word, kita biasa menggunakan, oh, I'm very well, thank you. Or very well, thanks. Gitu. Itu lebih,
I'm good, ya. Ada yang mau coba praktekin informal responses? Ibu Dona mungkin mau coba nih. Kalau misalkan Bu Dona nih, how are you? Bu Dona pilih yang mana responnya?
I'm good.
I'm good. Wah, keren Bu Dona, keren. Oke, kalau Bu Hana, hai Bu Hana, Mbak Hana, Mbak
Hai.
Hana, Mbak Hana mulai di tengah-tengah, jadi kita harus nanya nih sama Mbak Hana. Mbak Hana, aku mau share screen dulu yang, oke, ini ya. Oke, ini ya. Kalau misalkan ini Mbak Hana jawabnya yang mana pilihnya? How are you? Misalkan ditanya how are you. Ini kita ada banyak pilihan nih. Ada fantastic, ada couldn't be better, ada great, ada pretty good, ada things are good, can't complain, okay, not bad. Mbak Hana lagi pilih yang mana? Mau pilih yang mana? Aku kedengeran gak Mbak Hana?
Kedengeran.
Oke, oke. Mbak Hana masih di mute. Di unmute dulu Mbak Hana. Oke. Silakan Mbak
Udah.
Hana.
How are you? How are you itu apa kabar ya artinya?
Apa kabar? Apa kabar?
Ya, apa kabar kalau kita bilangnya alhamdulillah baik, apa bahasa
Alhamdulillah
Inggrisnya?
baik. Oke. Oke, alhamdulillah baik ya. Tadi Miss Rara keluar ya. Oke, bentar. Aku balikin ke Miss Rara ya. Um, Miss Rara udah oke?
Udah, oke. I'm really sorry guys. My Wi-Fi is not stable.
I know how you feel, Miss
And
Rara.
then
I know how you feel.
I changed it to,
Yeah.
aduh, I'm really sorry about it.
Okay, I've
Okay, wait.
asked
I'm
Miss
going to continue
Anna
it again.
and Miss Donna about their response. If we ask them, how are you? You might want to ask the others about which answer they would choose if someone asked them about how are you. Oke, silakan Miss Rara.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Could you repeat it?
No. I was just saying that tadi saya udah nanya ke Bu Hana sama Bu Dona tentang respon mereka. Kalau ditanya how are you, mereka pilih yang mana? Kalau ada yang alhamdulillah, ada I'm doing great, kayak gitu. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Yeah. I'm really sorry about the technical problem. Yeah, we are going to continue our previous discussion.
Okay.
Yeah. Before, we already discussed some language expression that we commonly use in greetings, whether it is formal and also casual, right? And most of us use some phrases like hello, hi, or hey. And of course, it depends on the situation, right? And then if we are going to greet someone, okay, we commonly ask, hi, how are you doing? How are you? How is it going? And of course, this is the degree of formality, okay? Or maybe what's up, how is life, and others. And these are some response that we may give to the other person, right? Okay. The most common phrase that people use here in Indonesia is fine, thank you, I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine, thanks, good or great, okay? But sometimes maybe if we give the response such as, or maybe the other person, we ask the person about, hi, how are you doing? And then the person say, no, it's been better, for example, like that. It's mean that we have, it would be polite if we ask, oh, what happened to you? For example, like that. Jadi kalau ada in bahasa Indonesia, if maybe we have a chit chat with someone, lalu ada bilang, apa kabar? Udah baikan nih, gitu kan? Sama seperti itu. Kita nggak langsung go to the next topic, right? But what happened? What's wrong with you? Gitu kan? Kita tanyain apa. Nah, this are, tadi sudah sampai sini ya teman-teman. Jadi besides we say, ya tapi biasanya kalau kita nggak mau go much further with the conversation, kita hanya bilang, okay, I'm great, pretty good, something like that. If maybe it's not really okay, or maybe you are talking with your friends, and then you can say, oh, been better, terrible. Nah, ini maksud saya yang tadi. Apabila kita nanya, lalu ada orang yang misalnya merespon dengan, oh, hanging in there, been better, not so great, or terrible, itu kan artinya orang tersebut membuka peluang untuk kita tanya lebih. Kayak misalnya, oh, what's wrong with you? Nah, kita tanya kenapa emang gitu. Ya, kalau kita menggunakan ungkapan yang ini, gitu ya. Oke? Nah, sometimes, because of, maybe everyone has a very tight schedule and we haven't seen with our friends or with our clients, with our business partners for quite a long time, we can, we haven't met someone for quite a long time, we can use these phrases. Okay? And the most common thing that we use in this situation is, yang paling sering dipakai apa nih kita? Hi, long time no see. Gitu ya?
Ya,
Yang paling kita, kalau udah lama nggak ketemu kan, yang paling sering kita pakai in the conversation, hi, long time no see, how are you? Atau hi, long time no see, what's up? What's new? For example like that. Nah, we differentiate, ini sebenarnya nggak terlalu, mungkin selain long time no see, ada teman-teman yang pakai yang lain, atau maybe, it's been ages, gitu ya. Kadang ada ya yang pakai ini, it's been ages since we last met. Or kalau ini juga bisa ya, it has been a long time, what have you been up to all these years? Maybe because of the pandemic, we haven't met with our best friends for quite a long time. We just maybe connected through messages, misalkan seperti itu. Nah, commonly, after we meet with the other person, we greet each other, we introduce our names to that person, and then we have a small talk with that person, right? Kita chit-chat gitu ya, ngobrol-ngobrol, small talk with that person. And after having a small talk is a light conversation. Jadi small talk itu adalah conversation yang singkat, yang biasanya kita lakukan dengan orang lain, baik orang yang sudah kita kenal maupun orang yang belum kita kenal, gitu ya. Nah, after we are having a small talk with the other person and we would like to end up our conversation, kita mau mengakhiri percakapan kita, lalu we need to say goodbye with that person, right? Nah, these are some language expression that we use when we would like to end up our conversation. Nah, these are commonly used for casual and also for the formal, but again, it depends on, we really know which language expression that would suitable to talk with that person, right? Terkadang ya kita paling tahu gitu, kita harus menggunakan ungkapan bahasa yang seperti apa dengan orang yang kita kenal gitu ya. Nah, this we can use goodbye Atau ya di sini bisa atau stay in touch. It was a pleasure meeting you. It's been nice talking to you. I hope to see you soon. Good night. Good night is not greeting. We commonly use good night, yeah, if we would like to leave a group of people, maybe or someone, and then see you later. Sorry, I have to go now, or God willing. Or di sini bisa juga mungkin teman-teman pakai yang paling favorit. Bye, goodbye, see you. Okay, so talk to you later, catch up with you later, or nice seeing you, serial, ya. Ini kalau di film-film ya sering kayak maybe kalau saya anaknya kebetulan masih kecil, kalau di kartun-kartun atau di film itu kita bisa pakai ya film keluarga, film anak-anak, kadang apa serial, so long, bye-bye, atau till we meet again. Nah, these are some language expression that we can use when we would like to end up our meeting, our conversation with someone. Teman-teman bisa pilih pakai ini, gitu. Ya. Okay. Nah, we come to the example about the use of greetings. Ya, kita sampai pada contoh nih teman-teman. But before we try to have this example, maybe any questions so far? Ada yang mau ditanyakan tidak? No? No question?
I know Indonesians are shy. If you have any questions, just ask. They always do that to me. They always did that to me. Don't be shy to ask anything.
Okay, don't be shy to ask anything, right? Yeah, please ask something, or maybe you would like to add some information. It's okay. Yeah, as I said that this season is actually a place for us to share the knowledge, right? Okay. Hello guys.
Okay.
Misalnya kalau diem-diem gini gimana gitu ya?
Yeah. I would like to ask everyone to turn the camera on and go on. I mean, turn the speaker on. You can say the word.
Aku juga malu.
Yep, you can go ask the questions. You can say something. Hi, Miss Hannah. Hi, Miss Daya. Ida. Mr. Rahmi. Miss Rahmi. Kak Rahmi. Miss Dana. Miss Uswa. Oh, we gonna pair you guys like a buddy, right, Miss Rara? For them to have this role play.
Yes, sure. Yeah, this is the dialogue example. It's only one of the example, right, that we commonly use for the greetings. We commonly use for the formal situation. Anyone here would like to
try first?
Actually, there are three people, right, in this dialogue. There are James, Professor Austin, and then Emma. Okay.
Okay, who's going to be James? Boris is not here. So, Hannah, Hannah, would you like to be James or Hannah or Professor Austin or Emma? Daya? Miss Daya? If you don't want me to call you Bu, you have to respond to Miss. Okay, Miss Daya, you have to choose.
Ahmed, could you please join too? Yeah,
okay,
come on.
Miss Daya, who do you want to be? James, Professor Austin, or Emma?
Miss Rara, Emma ya.
Oke, Emma aja deh yang dikit.
Miss Rara, Emma.
No, Emma is.
I'm gonna be Emma, right?
Okay.
Not the Emma part. You should be James or Professor Austin.
James.
James. Okay, you're gonna be James. Hannah, Ida.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna skip calling you guys Miss, and I'm gonna just call your names. Donna, Karahmi, Uswa.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, Karahmi, who do you want to be? Professor Austin or Emma?
The rest maybe only Professor Austin, yeah.
Austin. Okay, you're gonna be Professor Austin. And Uswa, Donna, are you in? Ida? Ida? Okay. Uswa, will you be Emma?
Emma, oke Emma.
Okay, Emma. Okay, go ahead, James or Daya. Go ahead. The dialogue.
Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
Good morning,
Yeah.
James. I'm doing well, and you?
I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions.
Deh.
Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your question.
Keren, keren.
Ampun. Udah lama nih udah nggak ngomong.
Gak pede.
Nggak pede, udah lama banget.
Keren banget semuanya. Okay, thank you. And then, who's the next? Next, Ida, Donna, Ida, Donna, you in? We need to have Faris in the house. Where's Faris?
Yes.
Okay, Donna, Ida, I'm gonna be Emma. Donna, you're gonna be James, and Ida, can you be Professor Austin?
Okay.
Good
Okay.
morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you?
I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Dan
Don't mention it. Kan ya? Don't mention it heavily. I will be I will be able to answer your questions.
Keren. Amazing, superb, you guys. You
Thank
guys are
you.
amazing. Okay. Has everyone got your turn? I think so. We're short on one guy, Paris, but he's still not available. He's still on train.
And Miss Dewi, it's not has everyone got the it's not has everyone got the term. It's has everyone had the term.
Okay. Thank you, Matt.
Mhm.
Okay. I think we can
Welcome, Mr. Farisi. Kayaknya ada yang baru join.
Faris, you're here. Faris, we already have the role play, and you are the only one who haven't who haven't played. How do you tell that? Faris.
Yes, Miss Ade.
Yes, we have to do the role play. How about you become
What?
James? Matt, can
No,
you
no, no.
help us by becoming Professor Austin?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna be Emma. Okay, Riz, go ahead. Read the James part. Riz harus baca bagian James
Yeah.
role play. Okay?
Okay. James asked me,
Good morning. Start from there.
good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
You want me to be Professor Austin?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you?
I am great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Matt, your
Don't
turn,
mention it.
Professor.
Hopefully, I'll be able to answer your questions.
Okay.
Hey, you should have him as Professor Austin because there was more
But
words
James
for
has
me.
the most,
You shouldn't give
I
me
think
the
the
most
most,
time. You should give
how you call
everybody
it,
else
dialogue.
more to speak.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay, good job, Haris. Thank you. Back to you, Miss Rara.
Okay, thank you guys. And we are going to continue, right? Now, I made a language note about the previous conversation actually that as I said that the greeting, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening are used at different times of the day to greet people. Yes. We have to know where when we are saying good morning without a greeting. It's used when leaving a place. When people meet in the United States, it is customary for them to shake hands. A handshake should be firm and usually lasts for about 2 to 3 seconds, which allows time to say, nice to meet you. Okay. Again, when we are having conversation with others, it's not only a matter about the language phrases that we are saying, but it's about our gesture, and we have to know the culture behind the language, right? Jadi teman-teman, when we are learning about language, whatever it is, we have also learned about the culture behind the language itself. For example, maybe not only about the foreign language, but maybe when we learn about Sundanese or maybe Japanese, right? We have to know the culture behind the people using that language. Nah, begitu juga in English, right? It also happens when we learn about foreign language. We learn English, we learn maybe other language, right? We have to know the culture too. Nah, this is when we are, for example, when we are talking with the people who comes from, the person who comes from United States, we have to know that, yeah, making a handshake is a nice way to talk with them, right? So,
Yeah, Kak Rahmi.
Nah.
Actually, if you want to ask a question, you can, yeah,
Okay.
just ask. You can
Oh,
simply
yeah.
unmute yourself.
Okay, I want to ask about greetings. Good morning, good evening, good
Kak Rahmi,
night.
I'm sorry, your voice is very
And
low. The volume is very low.
can you hear now?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay.
I could hear.
Okay, my question is about time in the greeting of good morning, good evening, and etc. In apa ya, di negara aslinya itu good morning itu sebenarnya waktunya bisa lebih lama ketika dia ada di musim apa ya? Di musim panas atau musim itu ya? Biasanya ya.
Dan ketika
Winter,
kita
winter.
pakai ketika kita pakai di sini itu gimana? Apa tetap sama atau bagaimana ya? Atau kita sesuaikan dengan
The time
negara
zone,
asal?
when to use the good
Mm-mm.
morning. Is it 11 a.m. still good morning, Miss Rara?
Ya,
Something like
kalau
that.
misalnya di luar negeri kan ada waktu yang lebih lama ya. Ketika dia
Kayak summer gitu ya.
scene-nya
Yeah,
ya
summer should take a longer daytime. But yeah, I think even though like 4 p.m. is like still daylight in the summer, but I think they still use like good afternoon,
Yeah, we
even though
do.
it's not summer. Yeah, Matt, go ahead.
We do. Yeah, we do. It's masih, masih pagi sampai midday.
what time is it? Midday
So
on
morning
UK
until midday
Mid-
is morning.
until 12
Yes.
o'clock.
Then after midday until 6 p.m. you say
Until 6 we say
good afternoon.
good afternoon. Or
Like five.
oh,
Five.
5. Okay.
It depends.
It depends on the it depends on what. Can you
And it's not important because the time is the same.
okay.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you,
thank
Matt.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Maybe in other language, could I say it in other language that we commonly use good morning, yeah, until midday. It means maybe lunchtime, yeah, before lunchtime, about lunchtime, almost the lunchtime, and after lunchtime, after midday, we use good afternoon until at about around 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we can use good evening. Is that right, Matt?
Yeah, that's right. But it's winter right now and it's cold.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. And let's go on with the next one. This is if before I gave you the example for the formal dialogue, and here this is sorry, this is the dialogue that we commonly use for the casual situation, especially how we use the greeting. Yeah, it's very short dialogue. Okay, I'm going to do it first by myself, or maybe anyone would like to join with me. Yes, I think we should have. Maybe we can play like Jane and Helen first, and then the other we can pair them together. Right?
Exactly.
I'm gonna be Jane first, and who would
Let me
like
be
to
Helen.
accompany me to be my partner? Okay.
Maybe
Any
me,
other?
Helen.
Maybe Karahmi or Uswa? Okay,
Oh, Mr.
anyone,
Faris,
please?
would you like to be Helen?
Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
Miss
right.
Rara, we got our Helen here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, thanks. Can we start it now?
Are you repeat?
Yeah. Can we start it now?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Helen. How is it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying.
Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Oh, good job, Faris.
Yeah. Thanks, Faris.
Faris, you forgot one word in that
Okay.
sentence.
Which one?
Okay.
You say to the library, I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying. You see the word at the end?
How
That's
do you
like,
read that? Yeah. Okay, yeah.
like you're fed up. You can use that. That's a common Western thing.
Okay.
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 Something like
it described like a frustration or something, right?
Yeah, it's part of the conversation.
Yeah,
It's
it's very important for the
natural.
conversation. You
Yeah,
have
it
to
makes
express
our
that word,
language
like that.
becomes
Exactly.
natural, right?
Like Indonesians say adu, something like that.
Ouch, something like
Yes.
that. Okay, for the next one who role play this dialogue, don't forget to read this word. Like that. Okay, who's going to be the next Jane and Helen? Karahmi, Uswa, Donna, Idaye, Daya, Hana, Donna.
I'm Jen.
Okay,
Miss
go ahead.
Helen.
Uswa, who are you
I'm
going to
Jen.
be?
Jen.
Jane. You're gonna be Jane. Okay, we're looking for the next Helen. Who is going to be? Karahmi, Bahana, Idaye, Daya,
Okay.
Donna.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, Karahmi, go ahead. You're gonna
Okay.
be Helen.
Helen.
Okay, Uswa, go ahead.
Okay. Hi, Helen. How is it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you to? Where are you to? Where are you off to?
The library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying.
Oh no. Oh. Well, I will see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
Aku suka ini.
Good
It's
job.
more like it. It's natural.
Ooh.
That's cool. That's superb. That's very great. Okay. 5 stars for Miss Uswa and Miss Rahmi. Okay, next Idaye, Daya, Miss Hana, and Donna. Idaye, Daya, Mbak Hana, Donna. Come on, come on.
I'm in Jane.
Yes, Donna.
Jane.
Okay. Miss Idaye is on mute first. Okay, Donna. Daya, Mbak Hana, are you in? Okay, Donna, you're gonna practice with me. Who do you want to be? Who are you going to be? Jane or Helen?
Jane. Jane.
Jane. Okay. Let me be Helen. Okay. Go ahead.
Hi, Helen. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week, and I need to start studying.
Oh no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later. Thank you, Donna. Thank you. Okay. Daya and Hannah might not be around. Well, we can move on, Miss Rara.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay, for the role play. And before you make your own, this just an example. Okay. What are you off to? Anyone knows? Yeah, we are going to discuss the phrases used in this dialogue, right? Where are you off to means where are you going to go, right? Mau kemana? Kita bisa menggunakan juga.
No. Nope.
Where are you
it
off
doesn't.
to?
What are you up to means what are you doing? Basically, what
Yeah.
are you up to as in what are you doing right now?
Yeah, what are
Lagi,
you doing right now?
yeah, like lagi ngapain sekarang? What are you doing now?
Kenapa nggak dibahas dari awal ya, yang dari Jen?
Ya, Mbak Hana.
Nggak, maksudnya kalau langsung ke Jen yang where are you off to? Nggak
Okay.
dari awal artinya apa gitu, nggak pakai.
Okay. Should
okay,
I?
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Helen. Yeah, of course, because it's casual. Yeah, we commonly use hi. Hi, Helen. Ini kita di sini we can conclude that Jen and Helen are friends, right? So they use the casual language. Okay. And then how is it going? How is it going? Is a phrase that we use in greeting. The function of this is like, how are you? Yeah, it's another phrase that we can use to ask about someone's condition, right? And the response that Helen gives to Jane is fine, thanks. And you? Okay. Okay. And then the response that Jane gives, just fine. And then where are you off to? Okay. Where are you off to? Tadi meaningnya apa yang kamu lakukan saat ini? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Ya. Ini to the library. Kemana, Helen? Ke perpustakaan. Ya, saya akan ke perpustakaan. Aku mau ke perpustakaan nih. Ya. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying. Oke. Saya ada ujian sejarah minggu depan dan harus mulai belajar. Oke. Ya gitu ya. Bisa nggak sih ditranslate? Ya gitu, Matthew. Oke.
Where are you
Oh, no.
off to?
Well, see.
Maybe it's more like where are you going? Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you up to? Lagi ngapain? What
Lagi
are you doing?
ngapain?
Yeah, what are you
Yeah.
doing?
What are you doing? Right?
Basically.
Yes. Okay.
Basically. Ada anak di sini.
Oke. Lalu di sini, well, I'll see you later then. It's the language expression when to say goodbye, right? I'll
Yes.
see you later then. Good luck. Thanks. See you later. Oke. Ya, ini tadi sudah include greeting, lalu ada light conversation dengan where are you off to? Lalu end up the conversation and saying goodbye. Okay, that's about the dialogue example. Nah, any question until here?
You can just ask
No
the question.
question.
Mbak Hana ada pertanyaan?
Alright, if there is no question,
Itu arti yang Jen yang
which one?
oh no will I'll see you later then good luck. Itu artinya apa?
Apa Mbak? Maaf
Oh,
nggak
tidak.
kedengeran.
Oh ya, maksudnya tadi
Maaf, suara saya serak lagi
ditanyakan
batuk.
ya. Oh no, well, I'll see you later then good luck. Ini artinya apa gitu ya? Pertanyaannya betul
Iya, iya.
begitu?
Iya, betul.
Oke. Jadi, oh tidak gitu ya. Maksudnya kalau ini kan hanya merespon ya, natural response that gives gitu. Lalu well, I'll see you later then. Baiklah, sampai ketemu lagi gitu ya. Good
Oh.
luck. Gitu. Jadi I'll see you later then itu ungkapan yang digunakan untuk mengucapkan selamat tinggal. Well, goodbye gitu kan sama.
Iya, iya.
Sampai ketemu nanti gitu kan. Biasanya kita gitu ya. Sampai ketemu lagi ya.
Iya, iya. Well, goodbye.
Yeah. I'll see you later then. And then the response yang diberikan adalah see you later. Kalau thanks, ini merespon dari good luck. Good luck ya, thanks. And
Iya.
then see you later. Diresponnya see you later. Sampai ketemu lagi. Gitu.
Oh, iya. Iya. Kalau ini nanya, where are you? Kamu lagi apa sekarang? Kalau kita, saya lagi belajar bahasa Inggris online.
Oh,
Berarti pertanyaannya
kalau
sedang apa
jawabannya,
gitu ya? what are you doing gitu ya?
Iya, iya.
What are you doing?
Oh iya.
Oh, I'm learning
I'm
English.
on English class. I'm on online English class session.
Oh ya, sip, 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 sip.
Yeah, you can answer if someone asks you like, what are you doing right now? Well, I'm having my online class session, or you can answer like, I'm on my online class session like that.
Good job. Makasih Miss
Iya,
Sarah.
coba kasih tahu ya sama Bapak Ke ya.
Iya.
Bapak Ke, I'm on my online class session, Bapak Ke, nggak bisa diganggu dulu.
Okay. Any other question maybe? No? Yeah, you could have your, yeah, you could practice maybe with the person at home, okay, about how to applicate using greeting and then leave takings. And of course, the next thing that we are going to discuss further is about small talk. Because actually, greeting, small talk, and leave taking is having a big correlation when we are talking with the other persons, right? So what is small talk? Yeah, the first thing that we need to know first is what is small talk. In bahasa Indonesia, we commonly use a chit-chat, apa ya? Ngobrol-ngobrol gitu ya. Oke, jadi small talk is light informal conversation. Oke, small talk adalah percakapan yang singkat yang biasanya dilakukan secara informal, secara casual. Ya, it's commonly used when you are talking to someone you don't know very well at a networking or social events. Nah, small talk itu biasanya, biasanya kita small talk dengan seseorang yang mungkin belum kita kenal atau baru pertama kali ketemu apabila kita di social events, di event-event tertentu gitu, atau di acara-acara yang seminar misalnya atau kondangan, in a party dan other social events gitu. Ya. Jadi percakapan singkat. For example, you are attending a seminar and you are sitting with someone that you haven't known before, and of course you are going to talk with that person, right? Biasanya kan seperti itu ya. Misalnya kita menghadiri sebuah seminar. Terus kita kebetulan sendiri, lalu di samping kita ada seseorang yang duduk. Nah, commonly we are going to talk with that person, with the person sitting next to us, right? Nah, kita biasanya memulainya dengan apa? Dengan melakukan ya tadi melakukan percakapan singkat, memulainya dengan greeting, dengan memperkenalkan kita dulu, gitu ya. Karena, hello, my name is Rara, what is your name? Nah, are you coming alone? Dan langsung ke topik-topik yang umum lainnya, gitu ya. Itu small talk, chit-chat, small conversation, a light conversation, ya. Nah, so how to make a small talk? Nah, kenapa topiknya ke sini, how to make a small talk. Because not everyone is comfortable to start a conversation with the other persons. Not everyone, right? Are you a type of a person who like to start a conversation? Or maybe you are waiting the other person to take the initiative to talk with you. Kalau teman-teman, kalau misalnya ketemu dengan orang lain itu lebih cenderung pasif atau aktif? Oh, saya sih initiate the conversation first, for example, like that. Or maybe I'm just waiting if that person wants to talk with me, I would, of course, I'll respond to him or to her. Teman-teman lebih cenderung yang mana?
Inisiatif.
Kalau ketemu
Yang inisiatif langsung perkenalan.
Oh, yang inisiatif langsung perkenalan.
Yang
Ya,
palingnya
tapi
basa-basi
tidak
nanya kabar gitu kan.
Yes. Oke, tapi tidak semua orang seperti itu ya. Kadang ada yang diem aja kalau nggak di knock-knock duluan, nggak memulai gitu. Nah, so how to make a small talk? Okay, the first thing is ask open-ended questions. Mengajukan pertanyaan open-ended. Nah, talking about question, there are two types of question, right? Ada close-ended question atau biasanya kita mengenalnya dengan yes-no question. Pertanyaan yang jawabannya hanya perlu yes dan no. Nah, sebaiknya it is suggested when we are going to make a small talk with the other person, try to ask open-ended question. Open-ended question is a question that use biasanya WH question yang jawabannya nggak sekedar yes atau no. Mungkin in bahasa I just want to illustrate in bahasa. Misalnya kita ini ngobrol dengan orang baru, for example you are on a flight. Kadang kan kita kalau lagi di perjalanan, maybe on a flight, on a train, or maybe on a bus, or other public transportation, kita nanya, mau ke Jogja ya Mbak? Iya. Sendiri ya Mbak? Iya. Gitu ya. Itu kan namanya close-ended question. Yang jawabannya hanya iya atau yes or no. Nah, it is not that person's mistake by giving us a very short response yes or no, tapi dari pertanyaan kitanya. Kita coba mengajukan pertanyaan yang memang memungkinkan orang lain lebih banyak berbicara, lebih interaksinya lebih ada gitu ya. Nah, open-ended question generate an interesting dynamic conversation and encourage the person you are speaking with to open up. Jadi dengan mengajukan pertanyaan-pertanyaan, kalau di bahasa Indonesia itu dengan 5W1H gitu ya, open-ended question, pertanyaan yang biasanya menggunakan 5W1H. Yang 5W1H? What, when, who, how, why, gitu ya. Dengan pertanyaan yang seperti itu. Jadi akan memungkinkan seseorang untuk bisa berbicara lebih banyak gitu.
5W Tuhan.
Iya, 5W, mengapa, di mana, yang who dengan siapa, what apa, why mengapa, where kemana, when kapan, how bagaimana, gitu ya. Jadi itu pertanyaan pertanyaan. Kalau misalkan pertanyaan yang jawabannya hanya do you go to Yogyakarta alone? Yes, misalnya. Oke?
Yes,
kan?
no question.
Iya, yes, no question. Akan lebih, where are you going to go? Oh, I'm going to go to Yogyakarta. To Yogyakarta. With
Close
whom
end
do you
ya.
go there? Dengan siapa, gitu kan? Ya, kalau yes, no itu kan close-ended. Jadi jawabannya hanya yes atau no. Dan itu kan kita kebayang ya, can you imagine if we are talking with the other person and he or she just response yes, no, garing gitu ya. Mestinya percakapannya nggak seru gitu. Nggak asik kan? Nah, itu kita ya sebenarnya tidak salah orang yang merespon. Tapi kita mencoba untuk mengubah pertanyaannya. The second one is practice active listening. Ya, try to pay attention and be an active listener. Okay. Paying attention creates stronger connection. Ya, dengan memperhatikan dapat menciptakan koneksi yang lebih kuat. Person will notice how engaged you seem. Jadi kita mencoba untuk menciptakan engagement yang lebih gitu dengan memperhatikan. In addition, it's much easier to ask relevant question and remember details to bring up later. Ya, being an active listener, pay attention when the other person is talking with us, itu juga merupakan kunci dengan ketika kita berinteraksi berinteraksi dengan orang lain. Yeah, even more when that person speaking with foreign language, and of course we need to prick our ears, gitu. Because here in Indonesia we learn English as a foreign language, not our second language, right? Gitu. Jadi benar-benar kita memperhatikan, kita mendengarkan, and then put away your gadget. Okay. It is very important when we are talking with the other person. Try to put your gadget. Don't look at your gadget while speaking to the other person. Karena kan ketika kita komunikasi kita harus making an eye contact, ya. Pay attention to the other person who's speaking with us, okay? Show that we appreciate the other person. Kita menghargai. And then, of course, the next one is show your enthusiasm. Kita harus menunjukkan antusiasme. Ya, sometimes apa ya, yang namanya antusiasme itu kan bisa dirasakan, bisa ditularkan. Kalau kita berbicara dengan seseorang, orang tersebut kayaknya enggan gitu, mau nggak mau, itu juga berasa kan. Jadi ya, try when we are having a conversation with the other person, try to show your enthusiasm gitu. Ya. Tuh, itu some steps that we can try to applicate when we would like to make a small talk with the other persons. Gitu. Oke, lalu what are the topics that we can bring up in a small talk? Topik-topik apa saja sih yang bisa kita gunakan ketika kita mau ngobrol, mau create a small talk, mau chit-chat, to create a light conversation with others? The basic thing is that we try to bring up a general small talk topics, ya, topik-topik yang umum. Oke, teman-teman, we are, for example, about your location or venue. The location, maybe you can ask about that person origin. Hey, where are you from? Where do you live? Oke, ini bisa location itu berarti berkaitan dengan tempat, ya. Tempat di sini kan nggak hanya kayak lahirnya di mana gitu, nggak, tapi kayak misalkan place of origin, aslinya dari mana, tinggalnya di mana. Hey, where are you from? Where do you come from? Or maybe where do you live? Where are you going to go? Ya, yang berkaitan dengan lokasi. Atau maybe talking about shows, movies, plays, art, ya. Atau mungkin kalau kita senang ngobrolin tentang makanan, ya, we could talk about the food and restaurants, or maybe cooking. If maybe some of you like culinary, okay, or maybe talking about hobbies, professional interest and responsibilities, maybe. Bisa juga sport, climate, and others. Gitu. Jadi intinya adalah general topics that we can bring up in our conversation. Ya, oke. Lalu topik-topik apa saja sih yang sebaiknya kita hindari? Nah, sebentar. Oke. Nah, these are some controversial topics, ya, some taboo and controversial topic that actually we need to avoid. Oke, jadi ada beberapa topik. Oke, ada beberapa topik yang seharusnya dihindari. There are some topics such as about religions, ya. Baru pertama ketemu tiba-tiba, hey, what is religion? Yeah, it's not okay, right? And then about marital status, physical appearance, age, occupation, about financial condition, or maybe talking about politics. Yeah. We know that we could bring up to the person. Jadi menggunakan topik yang tepat ketika bertemu dengan seseorang, it's very important. The topic that we should bring up the person that, and of course depends on the location. For example, when we meet a person at the hospital, of course we don't talk about holiday, right? Okay, it's actually very important in a conversation, in a public speaking gitu. Sebenarnya ini umum banget ya. If we in Indonesia, ya, terkadang kalau kita ketemu dengan
Miss Sarah, you're here. I thought you.
Oh my
What
God.
happened with your Wi-Fi? Wait.
I don't.
Ya Allah.
Ya Allah, Wi-Fi
Don't worry.
saya
This is Indonesia. We are so familiar with this.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
wait, give me a
I'm
second, let me
sorry.
see the host. Okay.
Okay. Ya Allah, I'm really sorry about that.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's natural. Not your fault.
What happened with my Wi-Fi? Kayaknya udah dibayar.
Wi-Fi Indonesia.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
No. I think it's a reminder because we only have like 10 minutes left. We're gonna have to like continue the discussion tomorrow, but we're gonna give like these 10 minutes to the participants. I mean, to like ask something if you want to know, if there's something you don't understand. Okay, Faris, Daya, Donna, Hana,
Understood,
Hana, Karami,
Mikade.
Uswa.
Okay.
Guys, have any questions? We still have like tomorrow. Don't worry. We're still a long way to go.
Okay. The last discussion before I logged out. I was forced to leave by Wi-Fi. Okay, it's about the small talk topics. Yeah, which topics that can be used in a small talk, and the topics that we should avoid in a small talk. It's very important. Okay, and of course, yeah, we have to know who the person who's talking with us, and we have also to choose the topics. Depends on the situation, depends on the location, of course, right?
Mm-hmm.
And related to the topics, if we are the one who initiate the conversation, kan intinya kalau conversation itu adalah, what is conversation? The main point of conversation is we ask a question or we respond to a question, right? Jadi kalau yang namanya conversation, percakapan itu kan ada dua ya. Kita mengajukan pertanyaan atau kita merespon pertanyaan. So the skill that we need to have is able to make a question and able to respond to a question. Gitu kan ya? Yang namanya percakapan itu kita mengajukan pertanyaan atau merespon pertanyaan gitu. Jadi kemampuan untuk memiliki vocabulary yang cukup depends on the topics that we would bring up in a conversation is very important gitu. Saya mau nanya nih. Saya mau nanya A, Jangan sampai kayak, kok dia jawabnya B sih? Gitu ya teman-teman. Padahal sebenarnya pertanyaan kita yang salah. Gitu. Oke. Nah, for tomorrow, yeah, we are going to discuss some question related to certain topics that we could bring up in a conversation gitu. Kalau misalnya tentang weather, kita nanya apa sih yang berkaitan, kosakatanya berkaitan dengan weather apa sih misalnya. Kalau misalnya we are going to bring up a topic about interest, saya bisa nanya apa aja sih? Ya. Atau misalnya talking about hobbies, itu biasanya bagaimana? Lalu about current events, ya, kejadian-kejadian terkini kan itu juga bisa menjadi topik dalam small talk. Saya bisa mengajukan pertanyaan seperti apa misalnya? Gitu. Kita akan bahas besok lagi ya teman-teman ya. Oke?
This is for tomorrow sessions, okay, guys? Oh ya, just for so you know, kalau dalam bahasa Inggris tuh kita meskipun partisipannya cewek, cowok gitu kan, gendernya bervariasi, tapi kita biasanya tuh tetap kayak ngomongnya tetap guys gitu sih. Jadi jangan salah paham ya. Kalau saya ngomong kayak so, jadi it's a very common thing in English if we are like saying to a public people, just saying like guys, see you guys, even though there's a female in the group, we still say it like that. So don't be a wonder, okay? Okay, any questions? Mbak Hana, Kak Rahmi, Daya, Paris, Dona, Idae, Uswa.
Now.
Paris,
would you
are
like
you still
maybe
going to be like home,
something?
like late, like this, like every day?
Can you repeat what
So I was like saying, are you still going to be home late, like every night?
every day?
Every day. Okay. Is it okay with you that we start at 7:30?
Above 20.
Above 20?
I didn't catch that. Can you repeat that? Nah. Okay.
Tapi nggak apa-apa deh, mulai 7.30 aja nggak apa-apa.
Okay. It's cool.
Yang bagusnya emang jam 8 sih, Mbak.
Jam 8, are you sure? Nanti udah pada tidur.
Jadi jam 7.30 aja, mulainya nggak apa-apa.
7.30 aja kali ya, sampai jam 9.
7.30 mepet
Jam 9
lagi.
Kalau jam 8
misalnya kayak ada, if maybe there are some technical problems like this evening gitu ya, kita bisa nambah, misalkan nggak harus sakot sampai jam 9 gitu.
Yeah, we can do flexible hours like that.
But the start point is 7:30, right?
Yep. We're gonna still start at 7:30, but the ending of the session can last like maybe 9:30. Is that okay with you, Miss Rana?
Okay. 9, around 9.
Okay, not 9:30. Around 9.
Because
Okay.
I have, my boy is still 3 years, and maybe
I know. I'm sorry, Paris.
Okay.
It's not that we don't want to like stay longer, but we do have some of us do have like children underage. Yeah, like Miss Idae, I think she is like already taking care of her baby. Okay.
All right. And for the things that we are going to have for tomorrow to continue our today's discussion, and then some of you are going to have, all of you are going to have to create a small talk with your partner.
Ini kayaknya buat Ayu yang udah Nggak bisa, aku yang latih untuk belajar ngomong.
Ya, jadi teman-teman, besok kita lanjutkan topik hari ini tentang small talk-nya. Nanti teman-teman akan praktek ya. You try to make your own dialogue to bring up your own topics in a conversation. Jadi teman-teman nanti akan praktek membuat dan mempraktekkan dialog dalam small talk. Teman-teman bebas menentukan topiknya apa. Nanti teman-teman akan berpartner dengan teman tentang small talk. Small talk-nya bisa teman-teman create sendiri atau nanti saya berikan situasinya. Jadi teman-teman pilih dari situasi yang saya berikan, nanti teman-teman bisa create small talk, membuat dan mempraktekkan. Jadi role play tentang small talk-nya. Teman-teman mau pilih topik apa nih? Jadi saya mau ngobrol apa? Gitu. Dari initiate the conversation, dari mulai greeting sampai leave taking. Gitu ya?
Okay, agree, Miss.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, get ready, yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna have a discussion. We're gonna continue the lesson about small talks. And we're gonna have like a, how do you call that, a role play? No, more like you guys will have an assignment to make a dialogue about small talks and greetings about our session for today and tomorrow. And you're gonna make your own dialogue and you're gonna practice it. Yay!
Semangat.
Semangat ya.
Yeah.
Jangan fighting ya. Okay, that should be right.
Each group, sorry. Yeah,
Okay.
each group has to make 2 dialogues for tomorrow. The first one is the small talk that you can have for the formal situation, and the other one is for the casual situation. Yeah. For
Okay.
example, you meet your business partner in an office. What the topics that you are going to bring up in your conversation, and the other one maybe if you meet your friend in an airport, what the topic that you are going to bring up in a conversation, gitu ya?
Yeah, so they're going to be like 2 different situations, like the formal one and the informal one. So you better prepare, guys.
Okay. So,
Okay.
any question about our today's discussion topics?
No question.
Okay, thank you. If there is no question,
Maybe.
Paris, do you have a questions?
No.
no.
Okay. Good to have you here.
The other maybe would like to ask something? No? Yes. Maybe from me, if there is no question, thank you very much for...
You don't want to ask me?
Huh?
You don't want to ask me anything?
You have question?
Okay. So
Or
this is
you
my
would
friend
like
Matt.
maybe
He's staying in
to
UK.
add
He
something?
used to teach in Indonesia in EF Yogyakarta. If anyone, if any of you guys want to ask something to Matt, you can simply text to me and I can give you Matt contact details. Okay. Thank you, Matt, for being here with us.
Thank you,
Hmm.
Matt.
Okay. Miss
Alright.
Rara udah? Can I close the
Okay.
session?
Ya,
Yes,
aku mau
sir.
sholat asar dulu ya.
Okay, from me first, right? Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining our class. For those who still join until now, yeah, sorry for the technical error. Aduh.
Technical problems,
Okay.
don't worry.
Yeah, again, see you again tomorrow. Okay, see you.